How to change currency on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can basically change the currency on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the currency on the Shein app, all you have to do is first of all open the Shein app like this. Once you launch the Shein app, just come to the me icon from the bottom right, tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the section where it says currency. So you want to make sure to just tap on currency, so you can see USD, euros, GBP, CHF, CAD or MXN. Now if you don't find the currency that you're looking for over here, I'll just recommend you change the country. So just go to the location, and if you want to set it to some other currency, you can set all those locations here. Once you change the location, when you come back, your currency is also going to be changed automatically, or you can select one of those lists over here again. That is it on how you can basically change the currency on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.